Hey everybody, my name is Justin and just want to do a couple short videos on how to install some aftermarket stuff on this beautiful GS 1250 Trophy. Picked this bike up a few months ago. I've already found myself wanting to add on some extra protection because I do like to do a lot of off-road. These will be short videos. I'm just hoping that these videos help somebody out there installing some of the stuff that may have a few questions. Don't need to like or subscribe. This isn't some crazy channel with great editing, just an average mechanic trying to help out some other GS family. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. I installed these MachineArt X head covers on the cylinder heads here, and very easy install, very high quality, super impressed. You know, it's just one, essentially the OEM guard goes here. You take out this top screw, the whole thing comes off, okay? That's the entire protection. It's not much. So these X heads really provide a lot of coverage down below the cylinder head, and you know, I'm really impressed. It doesn't need to be an install video for these guys. The instructions are fantastic, very easy to install. I did get some questions on the GS Facebook forum about lower crash bar clearances. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the lower crash bar on this side and give you guys an idea of what the clearance looks like with these guards on. Lower crash bar has been installed. It's kind of interesting. I had a lot of people asking about the clearance. Everything I read about these X heads and everything I've seen said that the clearance was fine with the OEM crash bar, but yeah, it's interesting. So the rubber piece on the lower crash bar, man, that thing is just kind of wedged right below the lip of this X head cover. It's definitely touching it. I don't know how I feel about that. I thought there would be a lot more clearance in there. It's probably not an issue. The clearance over here looks like it's just barely touching between the metal crash bar and the plastic cover right here. I think it'd probably be fine. It's just pretty interesting, very tight fit. One other note, when you're putting this crash bar back on, you really got to slide this rubber piece right here kind of underneath this lip. It'll want to sit on it, and you got to use a little force to get it to sit down underneath underneath this lip right here. So there you go, guys. The X head covers with the OEM lower crash bar installed. The next video I'm going to do is the alt-rider skid plate, and it'll be interesting to see how that plays along with these X heads and this lower OEM crash bar.